Hey guys, welcome to McKinney Texas. We are in the exclusive community of Lake Forest, where it is only grand homes. Saludos y bienvenidos a la ciudad de McKinney, Texas, donde estamos en la comunidad exclusiva de Lake Forest. I'm Marilyn, and this is my husband Mike, and we are the Jenkins Realty Group.
Yes, so we are in McKinney, Texas, which is in the North Dallas area, and it is located right in between Frisco and Allen, which makes it uniquely positioned and close to a lot of entertainment and dining options. Some of the places that we enjoy going to up here are the Allen Outlet Mall and Waters Creek Village, and it's also very close to the famous Stonebriar Mall in Frisco.
So today we're going to be touring the Lake Forest model, and I'm going to forewarn you, it is decked out.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. This specific model is 4144 square feet. It is 5 bedrooms, four baths. It is a 3-car garage. This specific model, they went ahead and they converted the 3rd car garage into a flex space. So without wasting any more time, enjoy the tour.